Sambulare. I welcome you all this morning to the Fiji Museum. Today is indeed a very special occasion as the Fiji Museum opens its door to the general public for a rare glimpse and a free of charge, a new exhibition after its closure for a lapse of 2 years. If you had visited the museum before the pandemic hit our beloved nation, well, let me say that you are in for a treat today. If this is your first time to set foot inside the museum, then all of more for you to be excited. In his remarks of the soft opening of the Voyage Stories of an Ocean People exhibition here at the museum last Thursday, His Excellency the President shared that the museum, being an iconic cultural institution, serves as a space to awaken and excite the mind, a space to spark conversation, to inspire and to educate. Now, when we look back to our childhood, most of our memories are intent to such space. For example, the church, our homes, school, playgrounds, and such. These memories remain with us at adulthood. The same can be said of museum being a space that stores and displays the cultural and historical artifacts that shares the story with a visitor going through the galleries to understand the display. A visitor may take longer viewing the artifacts out of sincere interest. In the piece are rare and sometimes they have some sentimental connection to the object itself for the visitor. This supports what our National Museum aims to be achieved post-pandemic. Museums play a very important role in our lives by stimulating experiences, ideas, and conversation. The focus of the new exhibition, Voyages, Story of an Ocean People, are the voice of our communities, voice of our people, and how they create our ocean ecosystem. You will witness this more when you view the exhibition inside the museum. Ladies and gentlemen, as a wife, as a mother, a daughter, and a grandmother, a sister and an aunt, I value the importance of learning and of understanding our history and heritage. His Excellency and I wish to encourage parents, families, and communities to make this part of our families' bonding activities. As we approach our school holidays, our children who are here today, make the most of it, spending time with your grandparents, documenting and listening to their stories, and learning about who are you as a person. Deepening connection with our people and local communities as the primary goal of the public program if it succeeds. I wish to thank the Fiji Museum for using the exhibition process as a platform to record and share stories of our people from different walks of life, entity, and religion. This is a powerful tool and resonates with the message of peace and harmonious coexistence of every Fijian that His Excellency and I would like to convey during this festive period and beyond. On the same note, the Fiji Museum needs our support so that it achieves its purpose. I invite the older children to volunteer with Indeed during museum events, attending fundraising events hosted by the Fiji Museum or its affiliate, Aitokani. Friends of the Fiji Museum and its proceeds going towards educational and community engaging activities of the Fiji Museum. While simplify engaging in advocacy programs in our own workplace, communities, schools, and churches about the role in Fiji Museum and of our people to take time to visit the museum. with their families is empowering. This iconic cultural institution has withstood time and has many stories to share with all its generation, and the next we need to appreciate it more. In conclusion, I wish to emphasize the importance of museum in relation to our children's education and of our own self-awarenesses. While our children need to learn about the Lapita migration, early discoveries from Kambara and Fulanga, the European settlers in Levuka, Ratu Seru Vakambau with his conquest, the Cornelius Sugar Refinery, the Thomas Baker tragedy, Ratu Selala Sukuna, and the contribution to building our nation, the Good Matthias, the early Chinese traders, and many more historical facts in the school. Our National Museum brings it to life, these stories. With that, I hope to increase collaboration between the Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts, and the National Museum in co-developing educational notes and syllabus that provide interactive experiences to our children upon their next visit to the museum. I wish you all Fijian families a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Vinaka Vakalevu.